And today, a very simple unboxing. Special thanks to our friends over at Just Try, who were nice enough to send us these feline grass treats. Now, these are a catnip flavored treat to enhance their appetite and remove habits. As you can see, you get 13.4 ounces of treats here in this value pack. Easy to chew. They, of course, will love the sound. No artificial preservatives or flavors and no byproducts. There is your ingredients on the back. You can see everything that is in here, and then exactly how much you should give them. So 2 to 5 pounds is 5 pieces, 5 to 12 is 10, 12 plus pounds is 20 pieces, as well as you can see expiration dates and information like that. Just a very simple unboxing. I'm gonna twist the top off. You have a nice seal here, and I could probably just puncture it. Yeah. What's it smell like? It smells like cat food. But this is them, little teeny tiny cat treats for your feline friend. So thanks again to Just Try, who was nice enough to send me these feline grass treats to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.